This photo editing software has been around for over 15 years, but how come I didn't even know it existed until now? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you something cool. This is ON1 Photo RAW 2025. It's basically like a mix between Lightroom and Photoshop, and some next-level AI magic like Luminar Neo. And honestly, it might be one of the coolest editing tools I've ever tried. Let me show you why. But before we jump in, just a heads up. This is a quick tour. I won't go super deep into every tool because, well, there's a lot, and I just use it for like a week. So instead, I'll give you a quick overview of the features that I've found useful inside this software so far. All right, let's dive in. First, you'll find some really powerful AI tools inside ON1, like next-level stuff like generative erase. Got something distracting in your photo? Just brush over it, and ON1 will remove it like it was never there. Sky swap. Sky looking a little boring? Just head to the Sky tab, pick any sky you like, and ON1 will blend it in like a pro. Match color. Want your photo to have that cinematic look? Grab the color tone from another image and apply it. Instant mood. Depth masking. This one's wild. You can mask parts of your photo based on depth, like editing the background or foreground separately with just a few clicks. Presets. Tons of presets to play with, but here's the cool part. You can even get AI to recommend a preset for your photo. Just go to the Presets tab and click AI Style Advisor. And that's just scratching the surface. I mean, I've only used this software for a week, and there are still a lot of features that I haven't tried yet. Another thing I like, everything you do in ON1 is non-destructive. That means you can go back, tweak, undo, or completely change your edits at any time without messing up your original photo. And if you're used to working in layers like in Photoshop, you'll feel right at home. ON1 uses a layer-based workflow, so you can stack adjustments, blend effects, and even combine multiple photos, all in one place. Super flexible. And honestly, it gives you a lot of creative freedom without the headache. Oh, and here's something cool. I'm an Android phone user, and ON1 actually has a mobile app for Android too. You can edit on your phone, and even better, you can sync everything back to your computer. So if you're editing on the go and want to finish things later on your desktop, it's all connected. Super handy. All right, that's for this quick tour. As you can see, ON1 is a super powerful photo editing software, and what's great is it's available in both a subscription and a one-time purchase option if you prefer to buy it outright. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one alternative to Photoshop and Lightroom, ON1 is definitely worth checking out. Use the link in the description to grab a discount and support the channel. There's a 50% off deal happening right now until May 6th, so grab it while it lasts. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.